Hi, and welcome to NetSweeper's 2-Minute Tips. I'm Allison Bussey, and today I'm going to show you how we can help school administration prevent students from downloading unwanted EXE files onto school devices. So let's get started. Kids may try to download applications onto school devices, often EXE files like games, VPNs, or file sharing apps that just don't need to be there and can pose a potential security risk. NetSweeper can block executable files that are not already installed on your workstation from being downloaded simply by adding it to your local list. Head to the desired policy from the Group Manager or Policy Manager and select URL keyword local list from the tab at the top of the screen. Click on New Entry. In the New Entry window, enter EXE in the New Entry field. Select Deny URL for the action. Hit Save Entry. Executable or EXE files are now being blocked. You can also test your new list entry by performing a simple trace request from the URL in the Tools menu. NetSweeper is capable of restricting the download of EXE file types, helping to keep students focused and engaged in their work and not on downloading potentially risky applications to classroom devices. Thank you for watching NetSweeper's 2-Minute Tips. To see how NetSweeper can help students focus on their exams, check out our other video, Creating a Policy Event to Reduce Distractions During Exam Times. See you next time.